go, kids! Learn with Pig! Let's start!
Pick up the blocks, one by one. Stack them up, and we're done. Books on the shelf, cars in a row.
Look at this
puzzles
room.
in the
Everything
box.
is so clean.
Nice and slow. 1,
Yay!
2, 3. Hands go free. 4, 5, 6. Tidy tricks. Clean up, clean up. Time to clean up. Clean up, clean up. We can do it yet.
Let's clean up.
Clean up. Put it
Ready,
all away.
set, go!
Clean up, clean up. Happy tidy day.
Go here! Perfect fit!
Toys in the basket.
Go team!
Shoes by the door. Crayons in the cup. Scoop them across the floor. Teddy on the bed.
Go here!
Balls in the bin.
Perfect
When
fit!
we work together, we all chip in.
Go
1,
team!
2, 3.
Let's clean up!
Hands go free.
Ready,
4,
set,
5,
go!
6. Tidy tricks.
Yeah!
Clean up, clean up. Time to clean up. Clean up, clean up. We can do it yet. Clean up, clean up. Put it all away. Clean up. Happy tidy day.
Look at this
Look
room!
at our
Everything
room.
is so clean!
Nice and neat. Big proud smiles. Clap to the beat. Clean up. Time to clean up.
Blocks go here!
Clean up.
Perfect
We can
fit.
do it yet. Clean up. Put
Go
it all
team!
away.
Let's clean up!
Clean up.
Ready,
Happy
set,
tidy day.
go!
Clean up.
Yeah!
Time to clean up. Clean up. We can do it, yeah. Clean up. Put it all away. Clean up. Happy tidy day.
We did it! Look at this room! Everything is so clean! Bye-bye, kids! See you in the next video! Bye-bye!